Hey guys, I'm Tony Alden, and today we are going to fontify the words foo and bar in a shell script buffer using the function fontlock add keywords. So what we want to do is to fontify foo. So we are going to do that in the first place using fontlock add keyword. Then we're going to do the same with bar, and at the end we will see how we can fontify foo and bar, but only when the foo precedes a bar. So let's just look at the name of our mode. So we are in the CH mode. So we go there and let's get started. So we are going to use fontlock add keywords. So if you see at the bottom, we have to pass it the mode where we want to have the changes happened, and keywords. So if it is the first time that you see that, maybe it's not, maybe it's we have to look at the help buffer to see exactly what it is. So here in the argument, add highlighting keywords for the mode. Here we have an example. When we have example, it's often the best thing we can have. So here we see fontlock add keywords. We quote the mode, and then we have the keywords which have a list of things that we want to highlight. So we are going to have something here which is a regular expression. It could be what could it be? It could be a function, then some of the thing, and at some point we want to have a face. So everything we do with fontlock add keywords is to change the variable fontlock keyword in the mode we are using, because this is the variable that control this is the variable that fontlock look at to take his decision about the fontification. So last time we've used this one. So the keywords where one keyword is a matcher regular expression dot with the face name. So we have this. We are going to use it right now, and we are going also to use the second one, and we will see what does that mean to be highlights. This is to when you want to highlight a sub-expression in a sub-match in regular expression matches, what we want at the end of this video. So this is good. We could do it right now, but I want to show you something in say here. Describe variable. So we are going to describe fontlock keywords before we change it. So this is its value for the current buffer, and so for CH mode, and the value is this one. So you see, true is to say that this value has been compiled, and here we have a list of keywords. You see, you have face, you have some face, and you have also some regular expression, but we don't have the foo and the bar because we haven't added those yet. So now let's go back to the note. Below we want foo to see what if it works or if it doesn't work. Let's go for the keywords. A list of keywords. We want to match foo and we give it the face font lock warning face. I evaluate, we evaluate this expression, eval last expression. Nothing changed in the bottom because we have to reload the mode. And now we can see that foo and foo, the words, have the font lock warning face. So this is what we wanted. Now let's say that we want to remove this. We can do this. We remove. We evaluate the S expression. We go below, and what can we do? Okay, see, yes, we reload the mode, and the fontification for foo has gone. Sorry, I will do it again because I wanted to show you the variable. So I am in the buffer below, in the shell script buffer, and font lock we have this, and now if you see we have foo here. Okay, so it's a little bit different because the list has been the variable has been compiled. So we have that, and let's go back here. I do this the same thing, so I go a little bit faster, and we remove the lid. Okay, so now as we are going to play not a little bit more with font lock at keywords, maybe we don't want to go back and forth between the two buffers to reload the ch mode. So what we can do, because we're in Emacs, is just to add a command, a convenient command to do that for us, and bind it to a free keystroke that we have. So let's do that. Global set key. So we set a key. So this is something I always have to a free Control F1, Control F2, Control F3 binding keystroke free. So in that case, when I'm doing something and I need a function command just for the task I'm doing, I know that I always have some free keystroke. So here, global set key, the key, and what do we want to do? So no, up, we are here, we want a lambda, as this is a function that we want to call interactively. We have to make it interactive. Here at the note, we are going to use with selected window, so we can look at this. What does that mean? So execute the forms in body with window as the selected windows. So this is exactly what we want. We want to select the window that have the buffer foo.sh, and reload the mode as the ch mode. So we have next window. So if we look at, I evaluate only next window and look at the bottom, window 25 on foo.sh. So we know that this is the window. So we have the window, and what we do is simply to call the mode. Okay, so I've just evaluated. So now Control F1 is bind to that lambda, and to see, we're going to see how it works. you see that I'm at this line, and we are changing foo for bar. Okay, I evaluate the S expression, and now I press Ctrl F1 and look at the buffer foo.sh. Okay, so we've done the same thing, but now we can play again more rapidly. So we removed it, foo, so bar. I'm on the line with font lock remove keywords. I evaluate this line, so this removes the keywords, and now Ctrl F1 and the keyword, the fontification for bar are gone. Okay, so we're almost done. There's one thing left, is to I'm on the left of the screen, so we want to match line that contain foo first and bar second, and give foo the face warning face and bar the face function name face. Okay, so this is a kind of next level of using font lock keywords. So I mess up, I just put it like this. We no longer need the remove. This full command just noise on the screen, so we removed it, and just go back to font lock keywords. Okay, so before I told you that we are going to use this for matcher and highlights. What we've done so far is this one, matcher, which is foo, and face name, which was the face of warning face, if I remember well. So we go a little bit here. So highlight should be either match highlight or match anchored. So for us, it will be match highlight. So we can see there what it is. So match highlight should be of the form sub-expression and face name, and we have two extra parameters that we are argument that we are not going to use, and the sub-expression is the number in the matcher. Okay, so let's go. So we are here. So now we match foo, and anything between foo and bar, then bar. Now here we remove that, we remove this one, we go there, and we want, what do we want? Yes, so we want the first match foo to be font lock warning face. Now the second match will be function name face. So hopefully this works. So you see the difference. Now we are here. First thing the matcher, and then we have the sub-expression with the name face, the face name. We evaluate. As before, nothing happened, but we just press Ctrl F1 and sure, it seems that I missed something, so I will remove this. Okay, so I removed the thing are gone, and what did I did what's okay, see, maybe we have to, no, it's not that. So let's see what's it. So we want to match foo, so they're just little thing that maybe I'm doing wrong. No, it's not maybe, it's sure that I'm doing something wrong. Font lock keywords. Let's see a little bit Okay. So I'm here. This is my fault. I don't know if it's the good way to say fault, but here we have something there that makes me think realize the error is that I didn't have sub-expression. So I'm asking for sub-expression and there is not sub-expression, and we need the sub-expression if we want to match correctly everything. So bar. So now it should work. So I match foo, and this will be the first sub-expression that we have the 1, and then we match bar, and this will be the second sub-expression. So I've just evaluated, and now we do Control F1, and it still doesn't work. Okay. Sorry. Add. This was removed, so I evaluate, and we do Control F1, and now this is working. So I want how to say that, I won't re-record this because maybe those little mistakes are hopefully show how we can just figure that looking at the documentation, the help buffer. So now because we haven't seen how to add several keywords, we are going to add one here. So we have the dash, and we can give them maybe font lock, what name, what face can we give it to see the difference? Maybe typeface. I don't remember what I choose for this one, but it should change, and it has changed. So here it is what we have for today, what I have for you today and for us. I hope this was helpful. If you have something to add, you have the comment, you can send me an email, anything else. Have a nice